The controversy surrounding Tata Consultancy Services Nashik office is deepening by the day, and what initially appeared to be a workplace complaint has now snowballed into a full-blown national issue. According to the latest developments, at least 7 people have been arrested so far in connection with the case. These include senior employees and managerial staff, indicating that the alleged misconduct may not have been limited to isolated individuals. However, the investigation is far from over. One of the key accused, identified as Nida Khan, is still absconding, and police teams are actively trying to trace her. What is even more concerning is the pattern that investigators are beginning to uncover. Multiple FIRs have been registered, and some of the accused have been named in more than one complaint.
इस्लाम नाम है कुरान और मोहम्मद साहब की हदीस इनका। कुरान में साफ लिखा है 3 पारे के अंदर कि दीन के अंदर कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है। आप किसी को ज़बरदस्ती कन्वर्जन नहीं करा सकते, आप किसी को ज़बरदस्ती नमाज नहीं पढ़वा सकते, आप किसी को ज़बरदस्ती रोज़ा नहीं रखवा सकते, ज़कात नहीं दिलवा सकते। ये सारी चीज़ें फोर्सफुली नहीं होनी चाहिए। इस्लाम इनको नहीं मानता। अगर होता है फोर्सफुली तो इस्लाम उसको नहीं मानता। ये इस्लाम का सीधा सिद्धांत है। दूसरी बात, ये मामला आज का तो है नहीं। TCS में कुछ रिपोर्ट से हमें भी जानकारी मिली है कि पिछले 2 साल से ये ऐसा चल रहा है। पिछले 2 साल से जब ऐसा चल रहा है तो वो लड़कियां, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि उनको एक कमरे में बंदी बनाकर ये सारा काम पिछले 2 साल से कराया जा रहा है। अगर उनके ऊपर फोर्सफुली नमाज पढ़ने का या धर्मांतरण का दबाव था किसी तरह से, तो उनको बता देना चाहिए था अपने परिजनों को, उनको बता देना चाहिए था अपने कंपनी के हेड्स को, अपने मैनेजर्स को, जो उनके HRs हैं, उनको बता देना चाहिए था। सवाल ये है कि 2 साल तक उन बच्चियों ने क्यों बर्दाश्त किया? जो लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं, मेरा सीधा सा मानना है कि अगर कोर्ट के माध्यम से वो मुजरिम पाए जाएं तो उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। लेकिन मीडिया ट्रायल जिस तरह से हो रहा है और लव जिहाद कहकर या कॉर्पोरेट जिहाद कहकर जिस तरह से इस्लाम और मुसलमान को बदनाम करने की कोशिश की जा रही है, मैं इसको बिल्कुल कंडम करता हूँ। क्योंकि इस्लाम का यानी किसी भी रिलीजन का इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं। इस्लाम इसको कंडम करता है, सिरे से कंडम करता है।
This has raised serious questions about whether this was a one-off incident or part of a larger, organized network operating within the office environment. The Nashik court has extended the custody of key accused, allowing investigators more time to dig deeper. Authorities are now examining mobile phones and digital evidence to establish links between the accused and to understand how long this alleged activity may have been going on. Sources indicate that more victims may come forward in the coming days. Many employees are believed to have stayed silent earlier due to fear, pressure, or lack of confidence in the system. But as the case gains national attention, that silence is beginning to break. Another troubling aspect emerging from the probe is the alleged role of internal systems. The HR department is now under scrutiny, with accusations that complaints were either ignored or suppressed. If proven true, this could point to a serious failure in corporate governance and workplace safety mechanisms. Adding a new dimension to the case are allegations that certain employees were pressured to attend meetings outside the office, including in hotels. Investigators are now trying to verify these claims, which, if established, could indicate a more systematic pattern of exploitation. There are also claims that vulnerable employees were specifically targeted. Investigators believe that individuals facing financial or personal challenges may have been singled out and subjected to coercion. This angle has intensified concerns that the issue goes beyond harassment and may involve deliberate targeting. Given the gravity of the allegations, the probe is now expanding. Agencies such as the Anti-Terrorism Squad and Central Intelligence Units have been approached to examine whether there is any larger organized or financial network involved. At this stage, officials have clarified that no terror links have been confirmed, but all possibilities are being explored. The matter has also reached the Supreme Court, where a petition has described forced religious conversion as a serious national concern. This has elevated the case from a corporate controversy to a legal and political flashpoint. Meanwhile, protests have begun on the ground in Nashik. Citizens and activists have taken to the streets, demanding justice and stricter safeguards for employees, especially women, in corporate workplaces. At the same time, families of some of the accused have pushed back, claiming that the case is being exaggerated and may even be a conspiracy. These counterclaims are now also part of the broader narrative, making the investigation even more complex.